Listen guys, I know I said that I found my favorite colorway of this sneaker model, but after getting this one in hand, I don't know if I can stand by that. This one's clean. And look, I know that there has been release after release of really dope sneaker models this month, but yeah, I'm bringing you another one. So let's get straight into it. Let's take a look at today's pair of sneakers, and of course that is the Nike and Sacai Vaporwaffle in the white and gum colorway. Guess what guys, we got a Sacai box. I feel like I've unboxed a lot of this specific box. All of them come, all Sacai sneakers come in this box, so all over orange. You got the kind of gloss Nike print on the front. You got the unfinished Nike logo on either side. I'll give you a look at that size tag. This just says white and sail, so that's the official color name for this. But let's slide them open. Let's take a look at today's pair of sneakers. Oh man, these are so clean. Today's pair of sneakers, guys, the Sacai Vaporwaffle in the white and sail or gum colorway. So here they are. Man, these are clean. Just take a look at how clean this pair is. Now, it wasn't that long ago that I did my review on the Sesame colorway and of course the Dark Iris colorway, and in that review I did mention to you guys that we were going to get another round of the Sacai Vaporwaffle. And this of course is one of the upcoming colorways, and yeah, I am really liking this colorway. So what I mean by next round of Vaporwaffles, well, the Vaporwaffle is always dropped in twos. They release two colorways at the same time. The first ones we got was the black and white and the sport fuchsia, and then we got the villain red, and then the other colorway which was the green and yellow, and then we got the sesame, the dark iris, and now upcoming we should be getting this all over white and sail colorway along with a predominantly black and gum outsole colorway. So I believe those will be the final colorways that we see, because we haven't seen any other ones in the pipeline. Like, we haven't seen any leaks or rumors of upcoming Sacai Vaporwaffles, so this may be the final ones. And you know what, it would round it off at an even number. We've got 4 of the kind of mesh variant Vaporwaffles, and then once these have released we would have had 4 of the nylon variants. Now, there hasn't been an official announcement of this colorway just yet, so when I tell you this release date, just take it as a tentative release date. June the 26th, this should be releasing, and I expect it will be releasing alongside that black colorway. Now, like I said, no official announcement, so do go and follow me over on Instagram, and that is where I can keep you guys updated. I always try and keep you guys updated with upcoming sneakers, but yeah, the retail price on these is £160 here in the UK, or $180 $50 if you're out in the US. And I'm sure, like most other Vaporwaffles, these will be very, very hard to get your hands on. The Vaporwaffle, despite its crazy design, has been an extremely popular silhouette, and yes, this colorway is probably going to be one of the more subtle ones. And you know what? One of my favorite. I don't know what it is. It's just something about an all-over clean, white, fresh pair of sneakers, specifically on this silhouette, I find really, really nice. Now, I know some of you may think that this one is a bit plain, and of course you do have plenty of other color, more crazier ones if you want to go a little bit more colorful, but I think this one, for a lot of people, considering it already is a pretty crazy design, you may prefer a little bit more of a toned down color option. So if you were someone who was maybe a little bit more apprehensive about trying out this very crazy design sneaker, then yeah, this colorway is probably going to be the most subtle and definitely going to be probably the easiest to rock out of the majority of the colorways released. So this sneaker is a mix of all over white and cream in color. So for the base kind of layer, you get all over white, and of course that is this kind of thicker nylon material. You find that on the medial, of course the lateral, and just a little bit peeking through on the toe box as well. Again, that's a solid white, and I think it contrasts really, really nicely with the cream or slightly off-white in terms of the color for the overlays. So you get the suede overlays around the toe box and of course the eye stays. And let me tell you, you guys are gonna have no issues with the quality or the kind of feel of the materials on this pair. It feels super soft, it feels premium, and it's just really nice when you're holding it in hand. Now you also get some leather overlays which feel equally as nice soft leather, and of course that is for the Nike swoosh, which is on the lateral and the medial side, and then towards the back, kind of for the heel counter and up around that pull tab. Like all the other colorways of the Vaporwaffle, there is a second swoosh which is painted onto the lateral side, which on this one you may have to squint a little bit to see it. It is kind of blending into the background because it is just painted on in white. So very, very subtle second Nike swoosh there. And then you got the double stacked midsole with the wedge shoved in there at the back, which is thick, but let me tell you, very, very comfortable on foot. I've said this in my last reviews and I'll say it again, this is one of the most comfortable sneakers. It has a mix of Zoom X for this top layer here, which feels really, really soft, and then this bottom layer is almost just as soft. It feels great on foot, and definitely a super comfortable pair of shoes. Now as for sizing, I personally go true to size with the Vaporwaffle. That seems to fit me perfectly. However, I have heard that some people half size up just because it is a little bit more narrow. So if you're someone who historically has wider feet and you have to size up, I would do the same with this pair of shoes. So again, good luck for the release of these, and of course don't forget to go and follow me over on Instagram. That's where I can keep you up to date when these do drop. And like always, I want to thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. You know I'll catch you in the next one, but until then.